Nakabenta ki khubor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro gini kilong ki khubor bamenta kasngi. Wala ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kan penyang haduh nrukhongut ki kertong haka election MLA arhajar arfulain re kalakmi lentipan banyo jing job tang hapreng shipho berkat sangun. Ya ganila penpau de Presiden ka BJP Meghalaya ba Ernest Maury habayakran bagi nong tho khubor bat pentip bagane ka jingkhen kalami na ka jingle survey jong ka party. Kini ki shipho haduh khat santli ki constituency ki dei ki bangilabu banjam. Bar kalat banyo jing job kalong ka bajur ong ba Ernest. Katkum ka jing ong jong u ka party ka khmi lenti ban job bun tli ki constituency. Henry ka hapat banyai katkum ka jingkhen bayo na ka survey bala pelong da ka party. Ha ka ba ka jing job kamno satya sha ka party lan na ki shipho bar khat santli ki constituency.
The meeting has been held in Delhi in the presence of our Honorable National President J.P. Nadaji and beloved and Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. On the first session, we have 2-3 agenda. Agenda number 1, they have asked us the report from all the northeastern states, those who are facing this coming general election. That is the Meghalaya, the Nagaland and the Tripura. So from the Meghalaya BJP, as a president, I have present the report in front of all the national office bearer, national president, and in the presence of Honorable Prime Minister, Union Minister, all they are present in the meeting. I have present that we are having total 60 seats, main 60 constituency, where we are having 13 districts, that is 11 administration district and 2 organization district, that is Shillong City and Tura City. And we are having here 36 mandal, including Khasi Giant Hills, and we are having 24 mandal in Garo Hills. Total voters I have present in my report. We have 21.61 thousand voters, and from the party we have identified 32 seats, that is active seat, and the rest we have in the C category. And last election, that is 2018, we have got the vote share of 9.7%. But this time we have already conducted a survey in all the constituency, mandal wise. We have the chance of going up to 20 to 25% vote share. That is our survey. And in this election, from the party, after we conduct the survey, that is first phase, second phase, third phase survey, we are getting that the indication from the survey, we are going to win from 10 to 15 seats. We are going to contest in all the 60 seats. Where from the party, we have already notified the date receiving the application in plain paper from 8th of January till 15th of January. We have received almost from all the constituencies, all the mandal, the application from the candidate. Only few constituency left, which already some of the candidate approach us to contest the election. Actually, the main purpose of calling the press conference of today regarding with some of the decision taken by the National Executive Committee meeting. If I go through all this resolution, then it will take time because it's a thick one. So we have on the 17th, we have adopted the political resolution. Political resolution, assembly election and by-election. I'll just read the content. And we have adopted the participant of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in the Gujarat election campaign. BJP got support from all the section of people in Gujarat. Entitlement to empowerment of the poor under the Modi government. So this resolution also we have adopted, and I will just go through the heading. Effective management of the COVID-19 challenge, economic rebound, Azadi ke Amrit Mahotsav, cultural revival, justice to all, discrimination to none, GST, reduction in price of heart stent and others implant, affordable and quotable medicine through Jan Ashandi Kendra, NEC statement on Garib Kalyan, an article of faith for double engine NDA government. I think we are very specified on this Garib Kalyan Yojana because our NDA government, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, we have provided a free ration till 12 December. And on top of free ration, we have given also the 3 rupees rice. So that also, it is very popular in Meghalaya. If you go to even to the remote areas also, people they know about Ukhaw Modi. So this is the thing. And in this meeting on the 17th, we have the statement on the SG20 presidency. As you know, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, now he is the president of G20, and we are going to organize this G20 in all the states. Especially in his speech at large, he has given the statement that he wants even to organize in the Northeast state, including the Meghalaya. Kashi Tamil Sangaman, Har Ghar Tiranga, about tricolor in every house. Then the bogus politics of the opposition was rejected from the people court to the Supreme Court. Man ki baat. Then Bir Bal Divas. Then we have India increased credibility on the world stage. So this is the political resolution which adopt in this National Executive Committee and already passed by the House. So I think if you need this one, Fasan, when I see the announcement, I was just watching in the television. I thought that they just have announced the election date, but when they will induct the model code of conduct, but recently I have seen that they have given the order of model code of conduct, then we are nothing to say on that. We are welcome.
You have mentioned that the party is going to contest or going to field candidates from all the 60 seats.
Yes.
But as per your survey report, you said that the party will win from only 10 to 15 seats. Why so?
No, that is mean like project seat. It is not that we are going to contest all the seat. It means that from the party, this seat which we are projecting, like this potential seat, because you see there will be a great national party, A, B, C category. So this seat which I have already highlighted just now, it is a projected seat. Winnability chance is more on that seat. Date for declaration of candidate will not take time now. Just after the State Election Committee, we are sending all the names to Delhi, to our central office. And the Honorable Prime Minister, he is the chairman of the Parliamentary Committee Board. In that committee, they will clear all the candidates' names.
Most of the political parties, they have BJP is yet to announce, despite the announcement of the election yesterday. So don't you think that it will hamper the prospect of the candidate, especially those constituencies which has, as you mentioned, 4 or 6 applicants?
You see, we are a national party. Unless the election commission declare the date, we cannot announce our candidate. And even I think the Congress also officially they have not announced. Only this regional party they have announced. But we as a national party, we have already they have declared the date from the election commission. We are under process. We are going to declare the name of the candidate immediately. We are expecting to win more than that. But you see, we are in line with the survey also. We'll just not go for just a press report or a piece of paper. We are working in the ground. So whatever report I have tabled in the Central Executive Committee meeting, that is fact with the survey.
Who has done this survey that indicates that you are going to win only 10 to 15?
We have done from the party also, from independent survey also. There are 3 types of survey.
Okay, where are these seats, Barnes? You can just tell us these 10, 15 seats that you're talking about.
Confidential seat, Shillong City, Tora City, and in the plain area, Janta Hills also we have 1-2 potential seat from Riboy also. So that is the seat which we are expecting to win. 123 application from different constituency. Like in some constituency, we are having a multiple application, main like 3-4, even like Dalu, for example, we are having 4 aspirant, main applicant, and even in the Mahandragan, we are having 6 applicant. So that is going on, and I think immediately we are going to convene the State Election Committee, where we will send all the name of the candidate to Central Parliamentary Committee for approval. 2017, the party has decided through the announcement of our Honorable Union Minister Rajnath Singh. He has announced that the term of our National President JP Nadaji will be extended till June 2024. It means after the Lok Sabha election. So the whole House has passed the resolution, we are accepted, and he will be the president till the election.